The topic of this video is how to fix laggy playback in DaVinci Resolve. So here I've got two clips which would usually play at about 1 FPS. On my setup, it's not that powerful. What we need to do is go to our project settings at the bottom right of the screen. So we need to scroll down, and here in optimized media and render cache, we're going to change our proxy media format from whatever it currently is to a DNxHR format. Now, I believe if you are on Mac, ProRes is actually the uncompressed version for you. And all these HQ, HQX, SQ, it's just standard quality, high quality, and so forth. Again, my system is not very powerful, so SQ works best for me. You can maybe go up if you are on a better PC. Okay, so what that is basically generating proxy media, and it's going to be uncompressed but play so much better. Okay, so I'm going to jump to the edit tab. Okay, so now we want to highlight our clips, right? Then we want to right click on both our clips or however many you have and go to generate proxy media. And now this could take a while depending on your rig and depending on the videos themselves. Alright, so our proxy media generation is complete and we can drag this into the timeline. And now you'll see here it's marked HQ. So that's still a problem because we need DaVinci to prefer proxies instead of high quality footage. So we need to go to Playback, and then we need to go to proxy handling and prefer proxies. And now you can see PXY is in the front. And now these will play at about 25 FPS for me. But we still want to go into Playback and say Playback resolution for the timeline. And we can set it to half, or if you're really struggling, you can go for quarter. And you will notice the quality degrades quite a bit on quarter. But Playback is going to be much smoother. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.